I'm going aboard. Make that quick and join us on there.
Hey! All right! Get on that train! You bastard! All yours, Captain. We'll go on ahead.
Everybody stay calm or you'll get shot! Everything you got! Money, valuable!
There you go.
Let's
Maybe
make this
what you
quick,
got,
people!
mister.
Come on!
You
We
won't
ain't
get
leaving
hurt.
till this bag's full!
I ain't got nothing.
Wanna have a little
I
chat with
need
Romeo
all
or
your money,
Juliet
my
here?
friend. You got a big
We're
problem.
dying over. You hear me?
What is it? You all right?
Fill the baggage car.
For Christ's sake, you ain't even taken a look yet?
There's probably something in here, Arthur.
Fuck's sake! For fuck's sake! Sorry. Get up, you little Irish shit. Get up. Need some help here, boy? I'll miss you, brother.
I'm hit!
This time I'll look and you provide the cover.
We said you men come out now!
There's only two of you, you fools. We got a whole lot less to lose. Why don't the two of you ride away? That way neither you get killed. Goddamn liberties.
Eh? There's a few more of them turning up.
Me and my big mouth. Okay, let's deal with them.
Last chance!
Look out on the left! Here come the...